South Eastern Railway is famous for running freight trains. During the COVID-19 pandemic, it has given emphasis to run trains with essential commodities, especially timetabled parcel trains. This year, due to the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, for the first time, South Eastern Railway has not only taken the responsibility to run Oxygen Express trains, but also has been leading in this movement. These Oxygen Express trains mainly originate from Tata, Bokaro, and Rourkela and sent to different destinations where they are required on demand of state governments. These Oxygen Express trains are loaded in wagon in RORO system of operation. Green passages are created for uninterrupted fast movement of these Oxygen Express to different corners of the nation. After unloading of liquid medical oxygen at its destination, these tankers are moved back to the unloading points for subsequent loading. Staff of South Eastern Railway are putting their best efforts tirelessly day and night.